Okay, we're going to take a look at the menuing system that we have for Salvage RESO Information Manager. The first menu we want to look at is the lookup menu, where we have three choices: normal lookup, lookup 1280, and lookup only. The main difference between lookup normal and lookup 1280 is merely the size of the screen. Lookup normal is smaller, lookup 1280 is a little bit larger, which could be helpful for different menus. Lookup only purpose is just to allow you to look up items and not actually put them into a lot when you're scanning items in. Perhaps you just need a quick lookup, and that would be the way you could do it, rather than scanning in an item if you need information about it. The second menu that we have here is the maintenance menu. The maintenance menu consists of the item list and maintenance, category list, unit list, vendors, lots, and brands. Most of these are fairly self-explanatory. The category list would be the different types of categories, and of course we have them pre-built in for you. You can add to them, change them, or delete them. Units, like how many ounces, how many boxes, things of that nature, can be modified here. Vendors are where you'll go to put in vendors and their information, their address, their name, and that will be necessary for when you're scanning into a lot, because when you create a lot, and that's to the right of the vendor maintenance, the lot will identify, along with the vendor, where you're putting your items at, so that you can get more information from it, how much money is in that particular lot, and other types of information. Last thing is brand, and again, fairly self-explanatory. There's a report menu next to that, where you can look up items by any specific criteria you would like, by descriptions, by categories. Any way you can imagine it, you can see your information and get those reports. And a vendor report, which will just give you a list and various other things about the vendors. And we're going to show those in a few minutes. Next is the help menu, where we have a little information about our company, your licensing agreement, and your company information. So if your address would change or your company name would change, you can go in and make the appropriate changes. And finally, the exit menu to take you out of the program.